And did I give up on my dreams? Kate. There you are. Check IT out. I thought IT was Friday today, but it's actually Thursday, isn't that amazing? I get one more day this week. Just a little dunk. And the recipe is compel. Chirp. Chirp tweet chirp. Chirp. DD. Chirp DD. Chirp. Gasp. Tweet tweet. DDCHIRPA. Chir DD chirp. Chirp yeah laugh IT up. That just means more puddle buns for me. Gosh, what a gorgeous day. Better make the most of IT. What? Where stuff? Does this stuff come from again? Seed? Seed. Ha ha ha. I've been calling IT bead for like a month. Ha ha, so yet where? Oh. Well. You see, IT, oh you. I do know. Don't know, just give either me a second. Check. Right. Take. Bite. Check left. Stay not dead. I didn't ask to be this beautiful. You think I chose this crimson hue of perfection? And this thing? It's hard to be humble when you are the archetype of handsome. Life is like a flower. Beautiful but fragile. Honk honk honk. 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 Munch munch. These breadcrumbs are great. Munch munch. Haha. Remember when you thought you were eating crumbs? Haha. But it was cigarette butts. No. Yeah, those are pretty, but they're nothing compared to the giant magnolia at. Everyone keeps raving about IT. I haven't seen IT, so no spoilers. You haven't seen IT yet? Okay, my beak is sealed. IT completely redefines the genre flow, an eagle as big as Stop White. Excuse me, everyone. I have an announcement. If I could have your ATT sparrows. Please, just for a second. Hey you. There. Rabbit. I know you can hear me. Can you just choo choo choo? Honestly, I'd be done by now if you'd all listen.